does. Man, look at that
She
cheese.
will never be hungry again.
She's like, oh yeah, I want that whole thing.
Yeah, she does say
yeah,
that.
I want that whole thing.
You gonna let me touch the cheese?
She's
There's
like,
no
no way. She's like, don't you take my cheese. She's like, don't you take my cheese. She's like, don't you take my cheese.
Yeah, you don't take cheese.
You don't take cheese.
Now we know
away
she doesn't like.
Go.
Also, we know she doesn't like bowls and basically everything except food.
You can't
And
take
us.
cheese from away.
Nope.
You can't take cheese from a girl away then.
No, you cannot. Bad idea, huh, Lily?
Yeah, well